fight anybody. I'll fight everybody.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Kuramaker channel. My name is King Rushdi, and today we are going to make Yoru mask, guys. That is this two types of Yoru mask that is printed. This is the raw, as you can see right here. This is the raw, and then this is the finished product, as you can see. And yes, this is 3D printed PLA that I'm using. I will somehow teach you on how to do it, because this is a very straightforward video. Because finishing a 3D printed is not very hard. It's pretty damn easy. So right now we will focus on the product that we wanted to print, that is Yoru Valorant mask. So yes, this is the software that I am using, that is Ultimate Kura or Ultimaker Kura. So as you can see, you must have a 3D file before you can start printing this Yoru mask. This is not my 3D file. If you guys wanted to check it out, you guys can go to the page link that is Toyserific. They sell this kind of 3D printed file, so you guys can buy it from them. Or you guys don't have any file, you guys wanted to buy the product, you can buy it at my Shopee, or you can go to my Facebook or Instagram. So any inquiries, you guys can chat over there. So as you guys see right now, this is the thing. This is a mask. So you must have a filament, PLA or ABS for what you wanted to make, and then print, and then started sending. In this case, on what I always use is I always sand it all the edges first before I put any putty on it. That is, if in Malaysia I use this, that is herteri putty, filling putty. If you have any filling putty in the home, you can smear it all in the object that you wanted to make, and then started sanding. And it's a lot of process of sanding. As you can see, I have this support material. You can tear it off, something like this. As you can see, you can tear it off. So yeah, you can tear it off because this is just a support material. And overall, this is the inside of the mask, as you can see. So that is the thing. If you guys have any question, you can comment it below, and I will try to comment as much as I can. And if you guys interested on having one, you guys can come to and have a chat with me at Facebook or Instagram, or buy my product at Shopee. If you guys don't have any Shopee, maybe Facebook you can, or Instagram. So yes, let's see more in detail on this Yoru mask for it. But before we get into the video, for the next video, that is I want to show you on how I make the straps and stuff. I use hot glue, that is hot glue, and then I put it here and both of this side, and then I put some velcro on it, that is strap velcro, as you can hear this. This is a strap velcro. So I will show you on how you can put on it, and you just strap it on, something like this, and then voila, you can wear, or anyone can wear. It's a free size, so you can buy it or you make it yourself. So yes, the sanding process is pretty damn annoying. The first, you must the low grit sandpaper, that is 30 or 80 grit sandpaper, and then you can continue on the highest grit of sandpaper, and then you can follow with using a filling putty, or you can use any spray putty that you can buy at your convenience store. Sorry. So yes, let's go into the video for the more detail of the beautifulness of the Yoru Valorant mask. Let's go. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for all the subscribe, like and comment. If you are liking this Yoru mask, please comment in below and tell me, is it nice or not? Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for today. Kuramaker is going to out. Assalamualaikum and peace. Bye bye.